Jake Gabe's here, and today we're playing Bed Wars.
Jake, someone said hi to you.
Huh?
Someone said hi to you. Did you subscribe to you?
Who?
The guy that just said hi to you right here.
I don't know. Okay, but what do you want to play?
Should we go to doubles or?
Sure. We haven't played this game in a long time. If you guys want to see more, then we can do it, but this could possibly be our last Bed Wars video.
You don't know.
Because we haven't played in a while. Maybe it's better than last time we played.
I'm minor. Okay?
I don't even know what kid I am. What is this?
Normally I have no kid.
What kid am I?
Okay.
I have no idea what I am.
You might be cyber.
Nope, not cyber. Weaponized flying death machine. Emily, I need 20 emeralds pronto.
Come on, let's go kill the people across from us.
I know the best strategy in the world to get a flying death machine.
Oh my god. Yeah. Do we get it better?
Yeah, we're doomed. Flying death machine. Your bed has been destroyed. Lucis will no longer. Oh, I'm Grim Reaper. Emily, let's kind of just keep it safe now.
They're coming to kill us, Jake. Oh god, Jake.
I'm fighting.
I'm running because I have an emerald. Jake, I died, bro.
Same.
Oh my god.
This game is the same as last time I played. Still use yours. Whatever it's called, Uzi. Yeah, I think.
$16 each.
Why 16?
That's not what it is. We did just do 8. Whoa.
What is that? What is this stuff, realistic now?
Jake, 8 iron each, bro. Oh, okay. Oh, I just jumped off the edge.
Seriously?
I'm coming.
Yeah,
Wait up, I'm up there. Okay, so. Alright, I killed him. Come on, get the bed. Careful, that'll be fun. Hey, you made him go off the knee. Get the bed. It's open.
got you.
They're here.
Kill this dude.
Oh.
Easy.
Alright. Okay, that's good.
Let's try and get a tier 3 generator as quick as possible. And also, we should go to middle, so then, because my one goal in this video is to get a flying death machine. That is literally what it is called. Look.
Alright, good.
It's called an attack minicopter, but it says weaponized flying death machine. So, I believe what it says, not the name.
Yo, Jake, look at me. I got the grip. I
Oh, he got...
What just happened?
I have no idea. No! Okay, Emily, you try and get a bunch of diamonds. I'm gonna go to mid, so then we can both get a weaponized flying death
Well,
machine.
no, Jake, it literally, it has 2 seats.
Oh.
Yeah, so they only need 1. Alright, but, I mean, I'm going to middle with
Somebody's
you
coming.
because-
Somebody's coming. Somebody's coming.
I got them. They're easy.
Let's try and get diamond armor.
But
And-
I only got 19 iron, I think.
Let's try and get diamond armor and a weaponized machinery thing. I'll tell you if I need help.
Jake, I almost have enough.
You won't
Iron
have
armor.
enough for what?
I have enough for you to get iron armor.
Oh.
So just get 69, but I'm coming to mid with you.
Then
Yeah,
I'm
super
also
rad.
going around collecting diamonds.
We're getting diamonds. Okay.
Yeah, diamonds. Wait, once I get this set, I think I'll have enough for both of us to get diamond armor.
Once after this one.
Yeah, once I get these 4 ends.
Really? You already have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You already have 12?
Yeah?
How? Oh, yo, Jake, heads up. Someone just look at him. Kill him. Oh, I killed him, Jake.
Okay, can I have it? Okay, now I have 16. Collect the diamonds. We should hopefully have enough for a tier 2 gen now. How much do you got?
What? I only have... yeah, I have enough for a tier 2.
Oh, I just threw down 5. Wait, can I have some iron?
Right here.
No, put it in the chest.
I have more than that.
Yeah, I'll just give you all the extras. We're fine, it doesn't matter.
More than
Okay, I have enough. Okay, now here's your 8.
Okay. Alright, now Jake, time for the death helicopter or whatever the heck it's called.
Let's go back to middle. We own middle.
Oh, there's some emeralds already waiting for us.
Yes.
Kind of them until you don't hear.
Very nice. Scrumptious. Wait, you get 2 generators, I get 2 generators.
Right here.
Wait, we each just get 2 generators.
You keep the M's because I don't trust myself with them.
Okay. We just stay here till we have like a bunch of ends. Somebody's literally already building themselves in.
I see on screen.
Wait, why don't we go buy some balloons?
Okay, you go buy some balloons. You get balloons. I'm gonna stay here.
Okay. I'll be the end boy.
The apple.
Should I also get a diamond sword?
4, so I can get balloons too. So I'm gonna say.
Wait, Emily, I have enough to get you
stay here to get
balloons.
24.
I have enough to get you balloons.
Okay, it's fine. I'll just collect extra just in case.
No, wait, should I get a diamond sword? Emily?
It's just bro. My friend just. Oh my god.
Did you leave?
My friend kicked me out.
Seriously?
Yes, bro. Like. Can't tell her why I can't talk. Or be like, oh, you can.
Can't believe your friend would do such a thing.
I know, and it's a girl that kept calling me last night. Yeah, Jake. Better win this for us.
I will. I will. And I will also get that helicopter in the process. Get me in some of that action. Ah.
What?
I hit somebody, but then they made it back to their base in time. I'll get that death helicopter, and then I will kill every single person in sight and win this game.
Come on, dude, you got this, bro.
I will snipe every single one of them from my death helicopter. Oops, that was a
Come on,
horrible
Jake.
shot. Go back to your base, I dare you
Bro,
to.
you don't talk about it.
Right now, I think I'm honestly going to win because I have a bunch of M's. I almost have enough for the death helicopter already.
Really?
I have 12. So just 2 more loads.
Come on, Jake, you got this.
I shall win. If I lose my bed, it won't even matter because I'll have a death helicopter. That's even better than a bed. That's even better than a bed. Ha 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 ha. I'm so funny. Somebody's going after my bed. Don't worry, I have a thing called a little bow and arrow. Oh, Emily, our bed's gone. Or it's about to be.
Jake.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm about to have enough for a death
Helicopter,
helicopter. Huh?
Run him over.
Oh, yeah.
Get the death helicopter.
Green took my bed. Snipe. Oops. 20 more seconds and I'll have ultimate power. And I will kill green. They just fell off. They just jumped off the edge. Yes. I have ultimate power. All I have to do is go back to my base and win. Yeah ha 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 ha. Wah ha 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 ha. Wah ha 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 ha. I'm so good at this game. Here I go. Collect the iron. Get some ammo. Get some more blocks. Get a fireball or 2. And buy the attack mini copter. Just to make sure, I'll buy a couple axes. I'll buy an axe or 2 so I can mine all everybody's beds. Now, I'm placing it. Whammy! And I'm getting a thumbnail with it. Oh,
What, mini-cop?
yeah, the attack minicopter. Okay, thumbnail time. Again, had a little technical difficulties, but I'm in my attack minicopter. How do I attack in it? Die!
Attacking. I think you run him over.
There's literally... He's blowing me out of the air. He has a little dinosaur.
Oh, that's not good.
I'm crashing. My thing's on fire. They have bullets. I'm so done for. it! No, I crashed into a tree. This thing's useless. The worst thing I've ever used in my whole life. Person's dinosaur is cooler than this. He just killed it! Revenge! Where'd my axe go? This is why I stopped playing Bed Wars. I spent 20 whole emeralds on an attack helicopter, and it didn't even attack.
What did it do?
It just let me fly around and let me get shot by everybody. No, I'm Jake Games. I'm probably going to play a different game next time, and I'm out. Bye, guys.